Welcome back. This is Mrs. Rubright with Algebra 1 Honors. Today's lesson is 7-4, factoring ax squared plus bx plus c. So we're factoring with a leading coefficient. That a is your leading coefficient. So if I was given a problem like 5n squared plus 11n plus 2, in order to do this, we're just going to kind of do our own notes today, like off to the side, because I do it a little bit different than the books would show you to do it. But you're going to do the first term times the third term, right? Your a times c, your first term times your third term. 5 times 2 is 10. And you're going to do the factors of 10. 1 times 10, 2 times 5, 3 and 4 don't work, so we have all of our factors. Well, it multiplies to first times third and adds to the middle term. All right, multiplies to the first times third and adds to the middle term. So how about 10 and 1? 10 times 1 is 10, and 10 plus 1 is 11. So now you write your first term twice without the squared. Write the first term twice without the squared. Put the factors underneath. Reduce if possible. So 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 10 twice. 5 and 1 can't reduce. So these are your binomials. 5n plus 1, n plus 2. So let's try it out. 5n squared plus 10n plus 1n, so plus your 11n, plus 2. It works. We do not do guess and check. We do first times third, find its factors, what multiplies to first times third and adds to the middle term. Take your first term twice without the squared, put the factors underneath, reduce if possible, and those are your two binomials. Let's try another one. So let's try 6x squared minus 13x minus 8. 6 times 8, 48. And this is going to be negative, right? 1 and 48, 2 and 24, 3 and 16, 4 and 12, 5 no, 6 times 8, 7 no. So those are all of our factors, right? What multiplies to first times third and adds to the middle term? That would be like 14, negative 16, positive 3. First term twice without the squared. Put your factors underneath. Reduce if possible. Does anything go into 3 and 6? Yeah, 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 6 twice. So that one's 2x plus 1. This divided by 2 is 3. This divided by 2 is 8. 3x minus 8. (6x squared) minus 16x plus 3x minus 8. Is everyone okay on that? Let's try some more. All right. 2 times 7, 14. 1 and 14, 2 and 7, 3 no, 4 no, 5 no, 6 no, 7, okay, that's all of them. What multiplies to first times third and adds to the middle term? 1 and 14, right? First terms twice without the squared. Put the factors underneath. Reduce if possible. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 14 7 times. 2x plus 1 times x plus 7. 8 times 3 is negative 24. 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6, 5, no, that's all the factors. What multiplies to first times third and adds to the middle term of negative 10? Positive 2, negative 12. First term twice without the squared. Positive 2, negative 12. Reduce if possible. 2 goes into 2 once. 2 goes into 8 4 times. So I have 4x plus 1. 4 goes in here twice. 4 goes in here 3 times. 2x minus 3. Let's double check. 8x squared minus 12x plus 2x is minus 10x minus 3. $120, 1 and 120, 2 and 60, 3 and 40, 4 and 30, 5 and 24, 6 and 20, 7, no, 8, no, 9, no, 10, and 12, 11, no, that's all of them. What multiplies to first times third and adds to the middle term of 23? Anybody? I'm missing one. 8 and 15. 15 and 8 add up to 23. I knew I was missing one because nothing was working. All right, so we have 10g over 8 over 15. 5 and 4. 5 goes in there twice. 5 goes in there 3 times. So I'm going to get 5g plus 4 times 2g plus 3. Let's double check. 10g squared plus 15g plus 8g plus 12. Are you guys getting the hang of this? Hopefully? Yes? All right, how about here? Number 9. I'm just pulling out an x. X times 12x minus 1. If you have a negative leading coefficient, the first thing you need to do is factor out the negatives. So you'd rearrange it to negative 6x squared minus 11x minus 10. Okay, so take out that negative first. First times third, negative 60. 1 and 60, 2 and 30, 3 and 20, 4 and what? 15? 5 and what? 12, 6 and 10, 7 and 8 and 9 don't work, right? What multiplies to first times third and adds to the middle term? 15 minus 4? Wait, no, negative 15 plus 4, right, for negative 11. First term twice without the squared, 4, negative 15. 3 goes in here twice, 3 goes in here 5 times. 2 goes in here twice, 2 goes in here 3 times. 3x plus 2, 2x minus 5, and we pulled out a negative first. Yes. Yes. You guys feeling okay? All right, so that is your lesson on factoring with a leading coefficient. Your homework is page 391 and 392. I hope you guys enjoyed the lesson. Please like and subscribe and have a fantastic day.